Hey everybody, Bob Trade Genius, the 22nd January. I'm going to blast through my watch list here, and I'll point out anything of interest or what we're in, and take it from there. So first, AG, we're in AG, and it looked like they were going to stop us out. And this is a longer term hold here, so I'm always willing to give it a little bit more room to maneuver, and so far it's keeping us in the trade. But if it gets below 5, I'm out, and then I'll reconsider in the future. This is Cobalt. It's not interesting yet. Cameco's pushing down here, and it's on a neutral right now. CLD, it's still a sell. This is a potential lotto. We entered into DPW again here, looking for a bounce up into that vol stop line. See if we can pick up 2 or 3 cents. Another lotto. We're in DRD. Again, I'm looking for it to push up and through. It does these things on occasion, and so we're just waiting to see if we can catch a 10% move on it. FCX is interesting to me with China's slowdown. You know, they're trying to hold these industrial metals up. You know, it's overbought to me right now. I wouldn't be in a hurry to jump in it right now. I think all this stuff is this hopium for the trade deal. We're never getting a trade deal. Just so you know, we're never getting a trade deal with China. So FXY is slipping down. This is good for gold. This is good for silver. You know, this is bad for the market. And this is, they use this as a you know, funding mechanism. And so when FXY Hey, Bob, Trade Genius here. I'm going to go through a few charts, some things we talked about over the weekend, and just get you an update after we had our first action back here after 3-day holiday. And I'm going to start off with SPY, and what a crazy day. So it was pushing down all day until the last half hour. A couple things happened. It was down over 50 points or 5 points on SPY. And then news came out at the end of the day like it always does. And they jammed it back up to this neutral area called VWAP. And that's kind of where it's sitting right now. So tomorrow's turnaround Tuesday. So there's a good chance that we may push higher again before we roll over again. And we're still technically in a bull mode here. Above the vol stops, stochastics are still good, although they're not totally embedded. But they're embedded enough, and it hasn't pushed too far too fast in terms of getting in front of its moving averages. So it's going to be difficult to short this thing on a swing until we get some sustained weakness. And then VXX, too bad this thing's going away, but this has also been just pushing up into the vol stop, and we'll see what happens with tomorrow. GDX was selling down, but as soon as the market weakened, GDX got bid. You can see now where you can hedge. If you're long the market, you can hedge with the miners, and it's going to give you some degree of support. IWM, same. It's still in a bull mode, although, you know, probably a good idea to take some things off the table. FCX. You know, it's just amazing to me that this thing is still doing well after the China news. I think it's all trade hopium, and we're never really going to get a trade deal. So they're just going to use this thing to just keep the market players from getting too ahead of themselves on the short side until something else overwhelms the system. And we have GOLD. We're in GOLD like 10 cents below this price we got in, and this is going to be a long-term hold for me. And Here's SH, still not ready to short it. Bonds are ready to move higher again, which means rates down. GDXJ is it's neutral, but it held. It's above the 100-day. It looks like it might be moving higher again. UNG is the one I want to talk about. It's coming down to fill this gap. Let's see if it did. I've been watching this one all day. 25.87, and then this gap here is 26.25, and we got as low as 26.61. So if it fills this gap, and I think this would be a good play to move higher. And I'm going to show you one more. This is the PSQ. I don't think I got that one yet, did I? PSQ is the short NASDAQ trade. And again, they're all still ready to go. No need to get in front of this train. When this thing goes, it's going to really fall. If not, you may get caught in a bear trap. So anyway, it's Bob from Trade Genius. I'll catch you tomorrow, but I'm probably at this point looking for the market to move higher again tomorrow. And we're not quite ready to roll this puppy over yet, but it's going to roll over. Catch you later. Bye-bye.